If you guys want to see this live, head over to my Twitch, twitch.tv/L9DragonCore, where I'm streaming on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And if you guys like the content here, please make sure you subscribe. I'll take it. Blizzard World.
Was
Blizzard World.
yeah, that was a pretty clutch
Just
game.
casually healing my friends.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. You had 20,000 healing, bro. Holy shit.
That's fucking insane, Jake.
Scott, I mean, Scott was playing Mercy, but Scott didn't even make it to fucking 10,000. Scott was at like, what, like 9,200 or something? It's insane. Alright, defending. Who do I want to defend with? If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah, I did so good with Thor, but I don't want to change it.
Is Zack Attack? Is that your brother or your cousin? Your brother.
Still inventing it.
Yeah, it's my cousin.
Okay.
Touche.
You should give him a link to my stream.
I'll toss it in the chat.
Fuck! I didn't plug myself. Oh my god! I was too.
Oh,
fucking
you! Whoa! You wasted such an opportunity.
I was too concerned with us fucking winning that I was like, holy shit!
how
that would have been the
could you
perfect
do
one
that,
to do it because
Sasha?
I gapped the fuck out of him. Obviously,
Yeah,
I
you
had
did.
amazing support, but.
Oh wow, they just absolutely lasered that turret.
Sigma's over here.
Damn.
Sigma on the right.
She's reviving.
Nope, I knocked her back.
Oh, she got it.
Oh, she got it.
Oh, thank you.
Mercy, sits on me! I killed her!
Oh, it,
It makes me happy when another Mercy tries to kill me and I
I think they're looking to come this way.
flanking. Watch behind you, watch
Nope,
behind
they
you.
are behind us.
Oh, that's such a bad idea.
My ult.
I did a bad thing.
Oh shit.
You saw nothing.
I saw it all.
Nice. That was a nice Molten's Blooch.
Thank you. I tried to cover as much of that gap as I could.
I hear Mercy's stupid.
That hurt.
Mercy is coming after me.
Don't let her win, she's a little bitch.
Oh, she ran away.
Exactly. Point proven.
Yep.
Oh, fucking sniped. Holy shit. You guys think they're having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
The house.
Got Kiriko? Dude, I'm landing some good spears.
Fucking titty.
Keep getting fucked.
I almost have another ulti.
I have mine again.
I have mine too.
60 seconds remaining.
We just everybody just fucking
Wait,
throw
he's
it
trying
up.
to copy me. Motherfucker dare thinks he can fucking play Orisa into me? How dare you,
Okay.
sir?
Damn.
Oh my god, I have double
Yeah, I
his
think
damage.
they're totally having a lot of fun.
Yeah, nice ulti soldier. Be it.
Yeah,
No,
nice.
thank you. I fucking speared her head off, bro. Low-key think that might be play of the game. That was a revive denial and an ult denial. We know how Blizzard is with those. Alright, I will not forget to plug myself this time.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on, let's see it. Let's see it. Please, game. Yeah. Dude, I love that intro. Just the little wave gets me, bro. They didn't even say anything to me. They said, Anna, does your back hurt? They knew who the real character
What were
was.
Jake's stats like?
They
I
knew,
didn't even
he had
look.
like 9,000
It was
healing.
something crazy.
Oh boy, yeah. Dude, the
They
amount
knew
of
who the real
healing Jake
healer
does
was, bro.
just blows my mind sometimes.
9,300.
I don't
Jesus
think I died.
Christ.
I didn't die once that game.